Dear friends, in last class we have discussed about integrals of some more types. That is integral of square root of x square minus a square into dx. Integral of root of a square minus x square into dx. And integral of root of x square plus a square into dx. So these three types in last class we have discussed and its problems. In today's class we shall discuss about definite integral. In previous classes we have discussed about indefinite integrals. In today's class we shall discuss about definite integral. Now, what is a definite integral? The definite integral has a unique value. Unique value. A definite integral is denoted by integral of a to b f of x into dx. In indefinite integral, integral f of x into dx. This is indefinite integral. This is called definite integral. A definite integral is denoted by integral a to b f of x. F of x is a function into dx, where a is called the lower limit of integral and b is called the upper limit of integral. That is, if integral of f of x into dx is equal to capital F of x plus c, then integral a to b f of x into dx is equal to f of x plus c. So right, limits, upper limit is b, lower limit is a. So substitute that place x, f of, so first upper limit x is b, f of b plus c minus lower limit f of a plus c equals f of b plus c minus f of a minus c plus c minus c cancellation. So get f of b minus f of a. So therefore integral a to b f of x into dx is equal to f of b minus f of a. So now we shall discuss about problems. Example 1, evaluate. Evaluate integral of 2 to 3. Lower limit is 2, upper limit is 3. 2 to 3, f of x is x square into dx. So integrate this definite integral. So let I equals, I means given integral, it is integral 2 to 3 f of x is x square into dx. So therefore I equals, first integrate x square. So integral of x square. So x to the power of 2 plus 1, that is dividing by 2 plus 1. Upper limit is 3, lower limit is 2. Therefore I equals x to the power of 3 dividing by 3. Upper limit is 3, lower limit is 2. Therefore I equals, so first substitute upper limit, x is 3, it is 3 cube dividing by 3 minus 2 cube dividing by 3. Therefore I equals 3 cube value 27 dividing by 3 minus 2 cube value 8 by 3. Therefore I equals, denominators are same, then subtract numerator. Therefore 27 minus 8 dividing by 3. Therefore I equals 27 minus 8 becomes 19 dividing by 3. The value of this integral is 19 divided by 3. The next example, so evaluate, so example 2, evaluate integral minus 1 to plus 1 x plus 1 into dx. Let I equals integral minus 1 to plus 1 x plus 1 into dx. Therefore I equals integral of x into dx is x square dividing by 2 plus integral of 1 into dx is x. Upper limit is 1, lower limit is minus 1. Therefore I equals, substitute in place of x, first upper limit 1 square dividing by 2 plus 1 minus lower limit is minus 1 whole square dividing by 2 plus of minus 1. Therefore I equals 1 divided by 2 plus 1 minus of minus 1 whole square also plus 1 by 2 minus 1. Therefore I equals 1 divided by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cancellation. Therefore I equals 1 plus 1 becomes 2. The next example, example 3, evaluate integral 2 to 3 1 by x into dx. So let I equals integral 2 to 3 1 by x into dx. Therefore I equals integral of 1 by x is log of mod x. Upper limit is 3, lower limit is 2. Therefore I equals log mod 3 minus log mod 2. Therefore I equals log 3 minus log 2. Therefore I equals, log A minus log B, that is equal to log of A by B, log of 3 by 2. The next example, example 4, integral 1 to 4x cube minus 5x square plus 6x plus 9 into dx. So let I equals integral 1 to 4x cube minus 5x square plus 6x plus 9 into dx. Therefore I equals integral of 4x cube. 4 is a constant. Integral of x cube is x to the power of 4 by 4 minus 5x square, 5x cube by 3 plus 6x square by 2 plus 9x. So limit, upper limit is 2, lower limit is 1. Therefore I equals 4 gets cancellation, x to the power of 4 minus 5 by 3 x cube plus 2 1s are 2, 3s are 3x square plus 9x. Upper limit is 2, lower limit is 1. Therefore I equals, substitute upper limit to 2 power 4 minus 5 by 3 2 power 3 plus 3 into 2 square plus 9 into 2 minus 1, lower limit 1 power 4 minus 5 by 3 1 power 3 plus 3 into 1 power 2 plus 9 into 1. Therefore I equals 2 power 4 16 minus 2 cube 8 into 5 40 by 3 plus 4 into 3 12 plus 9 2s are 18 minus 1 power 4 1 minus 5 by 3 plus 3 plus 1. Therefore I equals, LCM is 3 or 16 plus 12, 18 plus 12, 30, 30 plus 16, 46, minus 40 dividing by 3, minus 3 plus 9, 12, plus 1, 13, minus 5 by 3. So therefore I equals 46 minus 13 minus 40 dividing by 3 plus 5 by 3. Therefore, so simplify that, I equal to 64 dividing by 3. The next example, integral 0 to pi by 4. To pi by 4 sine 2x. So let I equals integral 0 to pi by 4 sine 2x into dx. Therefore I equals integral of sine 2x is minus cos 2x dividing by 2. Upper limit is 5 by 4, lower limit is 0. Therefore I equals minus cos 2 into pi by 4 dividing by 2, minus of minus plus cos 2 into 0 dividing by 2. Therefore I equals minus cos 2 ones are 2 twos are cos pi by 2 plus cos 2 zeros are 0 divided by 2. Therefore I equals cos 90, that is 0 divided by 2 plus cos 0 1 by 2. Therefore I equals 1 divided by 2. The next one more example, example 6, evaluate integral 4 to 5 e power x into dx. Let I equals integral 4 to 5 e power x into dx. Therefore I equals integral of e power x is e power x. Upper limit is 5, lower limit is 4. Therefore I equals e power 5 minus e power 4. Therefore I equals e power 4 is common, in bracket e minus 1. So one more example, evaluate integral of 0 to pi by 4 tan x into dx. So let I equals integral 0 to pi by 4 tan x into dx. Therefore, I equals integral of tan x is log of mod secant x. Upper limit is pi by 4, lower limit is 0. Therefore, I equals log of secant pi by 4 minus log of secant 0. Therefore, I is equal to log of secant pi by 4. Secant 45 degree is root 2 minus log of secant 0 is 1. Therefore, log A minus log B is log of A by B. Therefore, I equals log root 2, or we can write this log of root 2. 2 root 2 can written as 2 power 1 by 2. Therefore, I is equal to, log A power B is equal to B log A. That is 1 by 2 into log 2. The next example, integral, evaluate integral pi by 2 to pi by 4. Sorry, pi by 6 to pi by 4 cosecant x. Cosecant x into dx. So let I equals integral pi by 6 to pi by 4 cosecant x into dx. Therefore, I equals integral of cosecant x is log of cosecant x minus cot x. Upper limit pi by 4, lower limit is pi by 6. Therefore, I is equal to log of mod cosecant x. X is pi by 4 minus cot pi by 4 minus log of cosecant pi by 6 minus cot of I is equal to log cosecant pi by 4, cosecant 45 degree, that is root 2 minus cot 45 degree is 1 minus log of cosecant 30 degree, that is 2 minus cosecant cot 30 degree, it is root 3. Therefore, log A, this is log A minus log B. You know formula, log of A by B, that is log of mod root 2 minus 1 dividing by 2 minus root 3. The next example, evaluate integral 0 to 1 dx dividing by 1 plus x square. So let I equals integral 0 to 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. You know integral of 1 by 1 plus x square into dx, that is tan inverse x. Upper limit 1, lower limit is 0. Therefore, I is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 0. Therefore, I is equal to tan inverse 1 pi by 4 minus tan inverse 0 is 0. Therefore, I equal to pi by 4 minus 0 is pi by 4. The next example, evaluate integral of 2 to 3 dx dividing by x square minus 1. So let I equals integral 2 to 3 1 by x square minus 1. 1 is 1 square into dx. What is the form of this? 1 by x square minus a square. You know formula. Therefore, I equals 1 divided by 2a. A is 1 into log of mod x minus 1 dividing by x plus 1. Upper limit is 3, lower limit is 2. Therefore, I equals 1 by 2 into log of mod 3 minus 1 dividing by 3 plus 1 minus log of mod 2 minus 1 dividing by 2 plus 1. Therefore, I equals 1 divided by 2 log 3 minus 1 2 by 4 minus log of 1 divided by 3. Therefore, I equals 1 divided by 2, that is log A minus log B, that is log of A by B, 2 by 4 whole divided by 1 by 3. Therefore, I equals 1 by 2 into log of. So 3, 3 2s are 6. 6 dividing by 4. Therefore, I equals 1 divided by 2 into log of 3 divided by 2. 3 by 2. The next example, evaluate 0 to 1 x into e power x square into dx. So now put x square is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. X square is 2x equals dt by dx. That is dx equals dt. Therefore, x into dx is equal to dt by 2. Therefore, given integral I equals integral of 0 to 1. X into dx is dt by 2 into e power x square is t. Therefore, I is equal to, take outside 1 by 2, integral of 0 to 1 e power t into dt. Therefore, I equals 1 by 2. Integral of e power t is e power t. So 1, 0. Therefore, I equals 1 by 2. What is t? T is x square. That is e power x square. Upper limit 1, lower limit is 0. Therefore, I equals 1 divided by 2. So e power 1 square is 1 minus e power 0 square is e power 0. Therefore, I equals 1 divided by 2. E power 1, that is e, minus e power 0 value, that is 1. That is 1 by 2 into e minus 1. The next example, evaluate integral 2 to 3, integral 2 to 3, x dividing by x square plus 1 into dx. So now put x square plus 1 equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. 2x plus 0 is equal to dt by dx. Therefore, x into dx is equal to dt dividing by 2. So therefore, I equals integral of 2 to 3 x into dx is dt by 2 into 1 by x square plus 1 is, that is t. That is 1 divided by t. 1 divided by t. Therefore I equals 1 by 2 integral of 2 to 3 dt divided by t. Therefore I equals 1 divided by 2 integral of dt by t is log mod t. Upper limit is 3, lower limit is 2. Therefore I equals 1 divided by 2. Say log, what is t? T is x square plus 1. 3, 2. Therefore I equals 1 divided by 2. Say log 3 square value 9 plus 1 minus log of 2 square 4 plus 1. Therefore I equals 1 divided by 2. So log of mod 9 plus 1 is 10 minus log of 4 plus 1 is 5. Therefore I equals 1 by 2. So log a minus log b is log of a by b is 10 divided by 5. Therefore I equals 1 by 2 into log 5 ones are 5 2s are of log 2. The next example, evaluate integral 0 to 2 by 3 dx dividing by 4 plus 9x square. So let I equals integral 0 to 2 by 3 1 by 4 plus 9x square into dx. Therefore I equal integral 2 to 3 1 by 4 divided by 9 plus x square into 9. Take common 9. So therefore or we can write that is I equals integral or 1 divided by 9. Take outside integral of 0 to 2 by 3 1 divided by 4 by 9 can be written as 2 by 3 whole square plus x square into dx. Therefore I equals 1 by 9. You know form of this 1 by a square plus x square into dx. That is formula 1 divided by a. A is 2 by 3 into tan inverse of x dividing by 2 by 3. Upper limit is 2 by 3. Lower limit is 0. Therefore I equals 1 by 9 inverse 2 by 3 3 by 2 tan inverse of 3x dividing by 2. Upper limit 2 by 3. Lower limit 0. 3 ones are 3 threes are. Therefore, I equals 1 by 6 into tan inverse of 3 into upper limit 2 by 3 dividing by 2 minus tan inverse of 3 into 0 by 2. Therefore, I equals 1 divided by 6 into tan inverse 3 3 gets cancellation, 2 2 cancellation, tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse of 3 zeros are 0. Therefore, I equals 1 by 6 into tan inverse 1, that is pi by 4 minus 0. Therefore, I is equal to pi by 24. Pi by 24. Okay students, stop here. So we'll continue in next class.